Okay, so I got this vacuum, and as you can see, I've been using it, and it's got a collection of dog hair there. I have a husky, a Swiss shepherd, and a little pomsky, so lots of hair all the time in the house. My old vacuum died, which is a different type of vacuum, and I got this one, and I like it so far. What I like about it is that it's really smooth on the floor. The other one used to make like a little bit of a scratching sound on the wooden floor. This one's not. It's very, very smooth. And I'm not going to turn the light on so that you can see the hair as it picks it up. And here you go. So as you saw, I didn't even have to go over the hair for it to pick up the hair. You just get close to it and it pulls it in. So I love it. Of course, I have to constantly empty it out because of the fact that it has a lot of hair. All you have to do is press that little red button there and it pops open and hair comes out. Other than that, it's smooth, it's strong, and I like it. Good for the price. Thank you.
So this is the SunSare X7A vacuum. It's very compact, it's very powerful. It's got a nice LED light on the front, you'll see when I turn it on. You pull trigger and it goes to the medium mode. It'll go high, low, medium. I keep it on the medium. And the light you can see, I'll keep the camera on here, will illuminate pretty much all the little dirt. I live up in the mountains, and this we've got a lot of fine dust because we keep the house open for ventilation. But anyway, this is a very fine vacuum. I'm very happy with it. The price is very reasonable. Handle's really good too, and it's super powerful. I've already vacuumed the house. I've got 62% left on it. So just wanted to give you a short one on this. Try it, you'll like it.
Test out your
This is fully charged. All I get is this blank screen. Hit the power button, nothing happens. Take it out. Put it on the charger. Screen, it's good to go.
It's crazy, fast like less than 20 seconds and it knocks the whole battery percent. Something is going on because it definitely didn't do this when I first got the vacuum. So now we're turning to a new option of a different.
I just bought this SunSare vacuum. It is really fantastic. Excellent value, great looking, comes with lots of great attachments, and it telescopes so you can get underneath couches and things like that. It's very, very powerful. It charges really quickly, and I couldn't be happier with this. Check it out.
So I must admit, we were a little skeptical about purchasing this unit in the beginning. And then we realized what a great unit it is. We've always been a big fan of the Shark family, but this unit is so well made. Great canister, filters, and even has great battery power. So if you're looking for an accurate, something that has great suction power, better than the Shark, then this is your cordless vacuum cleaner that you're going to love. Again, we love it in our household.
Yellow seed. Or the high purple seed. That's the last one. We're talking about all we do is just kick around the dirt. This time he's sucking it up. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, let's do turbo. Turbo. There it is. I'm directly on it. There it is. Oh! Would you look at that? Turns off and record. Let's try that again for you guys to see it. This one has been charged. Look at the card. The cord comes up. Turns off.
With this light on here, it does a great job of spotting the dog hair all over. It's really great. Works great. I love this vacuum so much. I have one in my other house. I bought 2 more, and one is a gift for somebody. I bought 3 of these in the last 2 months. Fabulous.
All right. Swivel's real good. Really nice of how it goes around things when you need it to.
This vacuum.
So the debris up in there, we haven't figured out a way to get that out easily other than trying to get our fingers up there and pulling it out. If we put any pressure on that, it feels like it's going to break, and then there's no give there either. So that's the only inconvenience that I found with this little vacuum.
The light is so good, the vacuum is really good, and it's so light you can feel you can use it.
Our vacuum is stored right here in our laundry closet. Very convenient and quick and easy to store.